Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Monday, December 8th, 2014. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. Let's jump right into the charts here. We're going to start off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. And what you'll see here is that the futures are trading lower, believe it or not, by about 7 points this morning to 2069. Now, these markets are very, very overbought. They're very, very extended. So to see a pullback here is not really something out of the question or unexpected. We really, all markets need to pull back at some point in time. We're starting to see that at least today. We'll see if it does continue into the closing bell. But right now, futures are down about 7 points to start the day. You do have the NASDAQ futures down about 14 points. So we're seeing a little bit of weakness before the opening bell rings. And all you have to do is really just look at the dollar yen. That tells you really everything you want to know. Dollar yen has made a new high yesterday and then has started to fall off. Dollar yen moves down, market moves down. Dollar yen gets a bid when the market opens. The market will most likely get a bid. This is what it's all about. It's all about the currency world, and I think that's a chart that everybody should keep on their radar, the dollar yen chart. Right now, dollar yen is fading. It is actually down 59 cents today, and sure enough, you see the overall major market indexes down before the opening bell. So keep that on the radar. We'll talk more about that in a little while. But the few stocks that we got to talk about in the news today, and let's see some market movers. CBST, this stock is a biotech firm that is being bought out by Merck. So again, you do not want to trade this one today. If you own it, you try your stop loss, or you take your profit, one or the other. If you do not own it, I would not be a buyer up here. Stock is being bought out today. You can see how it's just gone flat right around that 101.25 level. Stock did close at 74.36, so that's a nice big premium built in there today with this pop. But CBST is being bought out by Merck. Another stock in the news that you want to know about is INFY. This is Infosys. The stock has had a 2-for-1 split, so be aware of that. There also could be some pressure, as it looks like some insiders are looking to sell some stock. So we'll see if that does happen, but this would be on the radar today. But this is a stock split, so don't think that the company is just trading down here at these levels. It is a 2-for-1 split. Nothing has really changed. Let's take a look at a big one today. This is in the news. McDonald's complaining about a strong dollar. They said they're going to have to shave 7 to 9 cents off the bottom line. Stock right now is getting hammered, trading down at $93.45. It closed at $96.31. This is a stock we will be looking to play in the intraday stock chat today. So please come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat if you want to see how we're going to play McDonald's. But we will be playing this stock today in the intraday stock chat room. So if McDonald's is complaining about a strong dollar, you would think that a lot of other multinational companies would be as well. That hasn't been the case yet. I guess they're trying to keep their trap shut, but that will be the case going forward. Let's take a look at a few other things here. You do have oil today down about, at the moment, $1.40. That's a big move. Right now, spot crude is trading at $64.44 a barrel. So that's going to put pressure on a lot of these energy companies. Stocks like Schlumberger, which is an oil services name, that's down pretty decently, trading at $85.75. I have a level for Schlumberger we'll look at when the intraday stock chat room opens. We'll be looking at some other important energy plays out here as well. I believe EOG Resources is down significantly too. That closed at $90.75, now trading at $88.10. So these are all going to be in play today, all of these energy stocks. Let's just take a look at ExxonMobil, which is really the godfather of the energy stocks, and that's even trading down about $1 at the moment. So again, keep it on your radar. All the energy plays will be in motion today, so you're going to want to watch these energy sector, especially with oil selling off this morning. Also, on the back of weak oil will be a lot of the railroad stocks. So watch Canadian Pacific Railway. KSU is another stock that will probably could get hit today a little bit. You also want to take a look at Norfolk Southern. NSC is the ticker symbol there. So these will all be in play today as well. So there's going to be a lot in motion this morning with the weak energy prices going on here. You have a lot of different areas that can be affected by this. One area of strength that I have seen this morning is the gold miners. Here's Randgold. Stock closed at 64.85, now trading at 66.58. So keep the gold miners on watch today. They could be some short-term runners. Take a look at the GDX, which is the gold miners ETF. You'll see that's trading at 1890. That closed at 1875. So that is making a little bit of an uptick. Some other areas of weakness I'm noticing today is Tesla. Tesla on the weaker side. Stock is trading below the 220 level. I'm showing a little minor support for Tesla around 216, but ultimately I think the stock can even go lower than that in the future. So again, remember, low oil prices, they're going to affect everything in that solar space. They're going to affect stocks in the railroad space. Low energy prices will affect all this alternative energy, like stocks like Tesla that make batteries and cars that run on electric power. So just be aware of that. We're looking at some pretty good morning weakness. Let's take a look at gold prices today. Gold is up $4.50 right now to $1,195 an ounce. It's a pretty decent pop for gold. Take a look at the GLD trading at 114.78, closed at 114.43. So if gold runs, and I think gold can run if dollar yen sells off more, the only thing is that we often see the dollar yen rebound once the overall market indexes open up in the United States. So just be aware of that game that gets played. Remember though, this is probably the most important chart that anybody could follow today is going to be dollar yen, and you can see dollar yen right now trying to get a little bit of a bid, and that will usually help the futures, and it will, when this goes up, usually gold prices will go down. But gold has held up very, very well recently despite the strong dollar yen, so we could be seeing a little bit of a change here. I think I covered everything that I wanted to get through today. Remember, it is a Monday, but you have energy prices down. That's going to be the sector that is definitely under pressure, and again, we will be looking to play McDonald's in the intraday stock chat. So if you want to see everything we're doing, please come over to the intraday stock chat room, take a 7-day free trial, and you'll see how we navigate through these markets. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.